Bet you didn't know that I'm already off the hook. The was expensive, but I had to. No way to drink, so need a rest.
You record. Hey, whoa, wait. Hey, wait a minute. What the fuck? Dude, what are we doing right now? What?
Oh, he's chasing it, bro.
Brandon, I was like, I saw him like, what is that, a C3? I was like, what, is that C3?
At night, I think of you. Just a bit I want you trust. Are you gonna wait up or are you gonna get up without me? Are you gonna wait up or are you gonna get up without me? Are you gonna wait up? At night is the worst. I'm texting you first. Got these feelings I got for you. They don't let me sleep. They don't let me dream. They do all my thinking. Please don't leave me like a stupid when I come for you. Are you gonna wait up or are you gonna get up without me? Are you gonna wait up or are you gonna get up without me? Are you gonna wait up?
He said he had some words.
I just wanted to say, out of this entire thing, I really needed this guy.